So the value of FA is minus Q naught into E dot dl. So we write the magnitude of this term, which is equal to minus Q naught into E, which is given by, or let it be E at here, into dl into cos of theta. So we calculate cos theta and substitute for the electric value of electric field due to the due to the charge Q. So from here, this amount of work done takes the form minus Q naught into, because electric field we already know it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. Suppose that position of this point is R, B, point B. Position of this point is R, A. And at any point of time when charge is found to be, this test charge is found to be at position B, its position vector is R. So at point P, the value of electric field is Q upon R square into dl into cos theta. So from this situation, this theta is the angle between the electric field and the length element. So this is the direction of electric field, which is away, and this is the direction in which dl displacement is taking place. So both are opposite to each other, due to which the angle becomes 180 degree. So cos 180 degree means minus 1. So that is minus 1. So from here, this minus and this minus becomes positive. So this becomes the small amount of work done through the small displacement dl, where the electric field is this. And from this situation, dl is going on increasing in this direction. Along the journey from A to B, the dl goes on increasing. So that results in decrease in R. The position of the charge goes on decreasing. This goes on decreasing as dl increases. So for dl, we can say it to be minus dr. Direction of dl and dr both are opposite to each other. So in place of dl, we can simply write it as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q naught upon r square into minus dr. That minus you can write here. So simply it is dr. So therefore, what is the total amount of work done in bringing the charge from A to point B against the electric field of the given charge? So therefore, total amount of work done from A to B, this on the given test charge Q naught is given by integration of this dW from initial position RA to final position RB. So this is equal to integration. Here comes the minus sign. We substitute the value here, so it becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So which is a constant, Q into Q naught, which is also constant. The only term which is left, so I am writing the constant terms out of the sign of integration. So it is, Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught into, within the integration we have R. 1 upon R square means R to the power minus 2 from RA to RB, and this is dr. So from here, the total amount of work done in bringing the charge from position A to B against the electric field of the given point charge Q, it takes the form minus Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and this becomes minus 1 upon R, as we have discussed in our previous article. So initial position is RA and final position is RB. So this minus sign can be taken outside. So it becomes minus and minus becomes positive. So, and then we substitute the limits. So first we substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So final expression we get, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q naught into, inside this bracket we get 1 upon first upper limit RB minus then lower limit RA. So that is the total amount of work done. But what we require? We require only the amount of work done on unit test charge. So therefore, from here, this is equation number 2, let me call it equation number 2. So therefore, from 1 and 2, the electric potential difference VB minus VA simply means WAB, total amount of work done per unit test charge. So this simply reduces. Whenever we divide this WAB with Q naught, we get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Whenever we divide it by Q naught cancels out, so we are left with only Q, and inside bracket we are left with this term. So it is 1 upon R B minus 1 upon R A. So that is the expression for the electric potential difference whenever we try to do the work against the electric field of the given point charge. Let us move to the second part, which is about finding the expression for the electric potential of the given charge.